Today, the clouded leopard provides a glimpse into how these early felines may have lived. It's the smallest of the big cats, but the most agile. Short, muscular legs, super sharp claws, rotating ankle joints, and a counterbalancing tail make them such good climbers. Relative to size, a clouded leopard also has the longest canine teeth of any cat. A modern-day saber-tooth. Over time, big cats came down from the trees, grew larger, and even more powerful. As they evolved and conquered new worlds, each cat adopted a camouflage to give it an edge. Even the largest can blend into the background. Tiger stripes turn into tangled vegetation. A plain coat helps a stalking puma disappear, even when there's nowhere to hide. The spots of a leopard mimic the dappled shadows of open woodland, so it can set an ambush at close range. But camouflage doesn't only help on the attack. It also helps in defense. A cheetah mom hiding away with her tiny cubs. Just 10 days old, this is when big cats are most vulnerable. Eyes barely opened, totally reliant on mom. Most big cats grow slowly, developing at a similar rate. It'll be about 9 weeks before they move on to meat, 6 months before they're fully weaned, and by around 2 years old, they will finally be ready to go it alone. It's a long and dangerous journey, from helpless cub to deadly hunter.